Hey guys, hello everyone. Welcome to Rasayan Academy, all of you. So there's a there are so many things that I have to tell you, and in this video, I'll be telling you some really important things. What's going on Unacademy, right? So first of all, I am here to tell you that very soon we are starting to provide proper notes on Unacademy for the CSIR UGC net preparation. So till now, Unacademy was only an online education platform, and in which you were only able to access the mock test and the live classes, the combat test, and so on. But right now, we are adding the notes also. So for the plus learners, you will be able to access the notes in the app only. So in-app notes will be provided to the plus learners, and physical notes will be provided for the iconic learners. That is, who are buying the iconic subscription, those they will be able to get the physical proper notes, right, which will be delivered to their home, right? So the in-app notes will be available on the app only. It will be available anytime, and the iconic learners can actually also access the in-app notes also. Iconic learner has this extra benefit. Okay, so this was the first thing that I had to announce for all of you. Very important change, a big change for all the CSIR net aspirants, and this is going to be a really good news for all of those who have just started their preparation, right? Also guys, something even bigger, that is, this is the biggest discount which is going on Unacademy right now. So before few days I had informed you about the Unacademy Unlock 20 offer, right? So what is this Unlock 20 offer? That by using my code you were getting 20% discount, where you usually only get 10%, right? So you are getting 20% discount on the on using the code JAGRITIS. That's fine, but this offer has, there are few changes which are made to this offer, and this has become the best offer in the history of Unacademy as far as I have seen, right? So if you are buying a 6-month subscription right now, 1 month free will be given, and along with that you're getting 20% off. Okay, so if you are buying a 12-month subscription, you are getting 3 months free and then the same 20% discount. And on 24-month subscription, you are getting 6 months free and once again 20% discount. So all the three things are combined and you are getting so much discount. This is the best offer on Unacademy right now, but this is very much limited. You are getting this offer till 29th of July midnight. Okay, so that's why I am trying to inform everyone who is interested. Who are not interested, it's fine, we have a lot of free sessions guys, nothing to worry about. But for those who are interested, you must not miss this. Okay, and these are all the prices that which are applicable for plus and iconic subscription. As you can see, let's say you want to buy a 12-month plus subscription, how much you exactly have to pay for 12-month plus the 3-month extra? You are going to pay only this much after applying the code. After applying the code Jagriti S, you are only going to pay this much, 13,398. For iconic subscription, 12 months plus 3 months extra, for example, you are only going to pay this much, right? And for the iconic students, the best deal is that guys, you are getting extra months. You are, getting 20% off. And recently announced, you are also going to get the Unacademy notes, right? Very importantly. So this is the best time that you can join Unacademy Plus, and the valid offer is only valid till 29th of July midnight. So yeah, do not delay guys. This is something super important. So that's why I've come here to tell you all of these, about all of these things, right? So yes guys, I will see you in another important video very soon. This was so important, that's why I'm informing you at the earliest. So bye everyone, take care of yourselves, and I hope I'm going to see you all in the Unacademy Plus classes.